This chuttu stop the entire traffic on this stretch. Hi. Po. Po. Nobody up. Morning outdoor breakfast. How's it, Mom?
Very nice.
In, Mom? Super location to have breakfast. Daddy, you bless after next Friday. Ignore my dad.
Next day.
Very decent stay. Good enough for boys like us. Let's get into the riding jacket, wear the crown and head out. So last day of this trip, we'll be heading back to Bangalore. That is, me and Yatish will head back to Bangalore, whereas Santosh is heading to Trichy to be with his bundle of joy. His daughter and wife are there, so he's going to meet them and then come to Bangalore after 2 days. So pretty decent place to stay for guys and all. Not too expensive. You can work it out pretty cheap. Yeah, the place needs to be improved a lot. The food was decent. So now the plan is to go to Dindigul, where friend Santosh will travel towards Trichy from there and we'll head to Bangalore from there. I know it's kind of a longer route to Bangalore. The weather is pretty pleasant. It's not too cold. It's kind of getting humid since we're wearing our riding gear for some time. It did rain last evening, and after that I don't see any signs of rain for today until we reach down. But yeah, Bangalore seems to have some rainy weather. I came yesterday from Bangalore, so just in case, to be cautious, I've put on the rain covers for all the bags. The tank bag is, it's easy to put on because I have it handy. I keep opening, taking out stuff, and also we didn't go about too much in Kodaikanal. I was late and these guys went around 2-3 places. They were like, it was very overcrowded. They couldn't find parking spots for two-wheelers as well. So we just went to Coker's Walk. Park. We came up the hill from Palani. Now we are going towards Madurai. So this is a new road for me. Never been to this part of the hill, so I'm descending on a very new stretch. I have no idea how long will the descent be until we reach the foothills from this side. So the other end it was about 56 or 60 kilometers. Wow, the view is nice this side as well. All of a sudden it was like we came out of a forest and came out towards a landscape, open landscape. We're still in the progress of descending from Kodaikanal hills. A lot of monkeys. Whoa, there's a waterfall. I think there's supposed to be a viewpoint for the waterfall. Let's go ahead and check. As I'm getting down the hill, kind of feeling a little humid inside. Yay, we found waterfall, but we can't click photo with it. The water is too little. So bye. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Slide the bike left and right. And here we go. And we're down. Thank you. Visit again Kodaikanal Wildlife Sanctuary. Talagundu. Stopped for lunch as soon as we came down to the checkpost. We found a place here and the bikes are taking a small nap as we have lunch. It's kind of a mess. Typical Tamil Nadu style lunch in plantain leaf. Ta-da! I'm here.
What are we having?
Meals. I think we are the first customers. No, we are the only customers, or not first. So we had lunch here. Very nice lunch. The water wasn't good, so good enough you're carrying water. But the food was nice. Typical village style. Nice place. Good, we stopped here. We stopped in time for lunch itself. About 1:30 or something. So, had very little breakfast in the morning. We decided to have lunch early as well. We're about 10 kilometers away from Dindigul town. We'll be reaching the 4-lane Asian highway in no time. That is where we'll be breaking off. Me and Nitish will head towards Bangalore and Santosh will head towards Trichy. Hi. This chuttu stop the entire traffic on this stretch. He could have got killed. Poor. There it is. The Asian highway. Kanyakumari Kashmir Road. Kanyakumari 290 kilometers, Madurai 63, Trichy is 102, Chennai is 425. None of our destinations, but yeah, this is where we're breaking off. That is your road home, Ra. Straight you go wherever you find Trichy, what you follow. Okay? See you soon in Bangalore. Ride safe. Okay. It's not sunny. There are some dark patches of cloud possibility of rain is there. And I think I see a spot where it's raining. Hope for the best. No matter what type of weather it is, the ride must go on. Bangalore, 380 kilometers. So I'm guessing we should reach Bangalore by 9:30. That should be a pretty decent time to reach home. We could skip all the peak hour traffic, and today is a Sunday, so there won't be much traffic, so it doesn't matter. It started raining. We stopped under this tree for a break. Nice place. We have a small seating arrangement available here. So as expected, it started raining, so look at the amount of water. So let's ride in the rain. No matter what the weather is, nothing is going to stop us. What nonsense. We got into a rain gear with all the expectations of heavy rainfall. ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Mr. Batman is on his royal ride. Oh, it's raining there. I don't know if you can see this, but and it's all bright and sunny. What a joke. Seriously. Oh, look at the rains there. One portion of the mountain is getting rainfall. Wow! ಏನಿದೆ ಮಾಮ, ನೋಡು ಮಾಮ್, ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ನೋಡೋದು, ಏನೋ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡಂಗಿದೆ ಅದು. ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೂಪರ್, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟೈಮಿಂಗು. ನಾನು ಮಿರರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ, ಪ್ಯಾಚ್ ಫುಲ್ ಮಳೆ. Rainfall towards the right of me, and towards the left it's all sunny and bright. So here we are at the Kaveri river. Namakkal, 22 kilometers. From there on we head towards Sthlm, then Krishnagiri, Hosur and Bangalore. It will take roughly about 5 hours from here. I'm not sure what the time is, so AH43. We should be there in about 4 to 5 hours, so somewhere between 9 and 10 as I said earlier. Let's see how it goes. The sun is setting, lot of grey patches in the clouds. It's getting dark. We're going to ride in the night as well. As we near towards Sthlm city, there's quite a bit of traffic. My partner, where are you? I know he's zigzag through traffic. The rain gear is on again. We crossed Salem city. We came about 15 to 20 kilometers, I guess, and there was a heavy downpour. I stopped over, put on the rain gear, and continue riding. Yatish is not interested in wearing his overcoat. That is, I don't know what is that called. That's some name for it. It's the flappy one, so gets irritated with it. So he said, "No, I'm fine with the jacket itself." He's wearing the rain pant, and his bags are waterproof, so he doesn't have to worry much. As Yatish said, cotton candy overflowing is happening here as well. See that? It's just going there and hitting that cliff and then making its way up. The sunset's happening somewhere there behind those clouds. It's already set. It's gone down. Splash. Just wait for Yatish to come and catch up with me. There was some ride in the rain, huh? Hey, Ram. How was the rainy ride?
Awesome ride.
Santosh missed it.
Kind of post-monsoon ride.
Quick bite at McD, Krishnagiri, Shulagiri. About 75 kilometers to go. Not very steady. Still operating it's all voice activated. I think it's on and I forget. Almost about reach home. We are inside the city.